Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I got a happy birthday, Dina at D Loves Nails. It's an Instagram collab hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Dillis Nails. The theme was cats. I'm going to use Moonshine Manny's, and this is Stephanie Knows All the Chords. Ha 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 ha. Such a gorgeous color. We're going to go in with our first coat. And this one had a really good formula. Typically, Moonshine Manny polishes are rather thick. And this one didn't seem as thick to me. And it seemed to go on pretty well. I mean, you know, if you get a polish that's thick, all you got to do is add a little thinner to it. It's all good. So we're going to add a second coat. Probably didn't need to, but I'm going to. And I'm going to get that free edge capped again. There we go. I'm going to top it with I&M's out the door. And before I forget, I should have all of the participants over on Instagram listed down in the description box if you'd like to go check them out. There, isn't that gorgeous? Here's a swatch photo of it on its own. I'll be using Beauty Big Bang 026 today. It's just a cat plate. It's got cat. So I'm going to stamp different images. I'm going to be using Shutout by Bases Loaded Lacquer, my monocle stamper, and my scraper from H. La Costadora. So we're just going to get busy with it. Like I said, I'm going to use different images from all over this plate. I wanted, you know, I don't get to do cat manicures very often. So I wanted to, you know, play with all of the images. And once you stamp them out on your nails, you're able to see, you know, which one's your favorite. So I am cleaning my plate off with pure acetone, and I clean my stamper off on a lint roller. And that's such, I love that. The little kitty tails come together and form a heart in between all the images. That is adorable. Try to get that lined up, and I'm going to roll it onto the nail. Very nice. There we go. Cleaning that stamper again. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and clean up some of this excess off of my skin. It's coming up pretty well. I mean, not perfect, but, you know, pretty good. We'll take pretty good any day of the week. So there we go. And then I'm going to hop in here with my cleanup brush real quick. Just do some touching up. Just around the edges. And Dina, I hope you do have a beautiful birthday. That you're treated like the queen that you are. There we go. Alrighty, so we're going to keep carrying on with this manicure. We're going to scrape. Look at those big fat cat heads. Those are so cute. These were like more solid full, so I put them on my ring fingernail. You know, more full image nails. Now, I've used this image before, but I remember it came out crooked, or, you know, I did something. It was user error. But this time it turned out really good. I'm going to use it here on my pinky nail. Going to line it up, and you can tell I'm trying to be real careful to make sure I do it more straight. Yay! I'm going to top this one with some Seche Vite. Let it dry down and take my swatch photo. And here you go. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.